G'day guys, my name's Campbell and I'm a sales consultant for Simon Lucas Mitsubishi. Today I'm presenting to you the beautiful Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. The Outlander Sport really combines all the things you'd want in an off-road vehicle and all the things you'd need in the city. It's got the beautiful blacked out grille in the front, you've got your sunroof, panoramic ceiling, black alloys and wing mirrors. It's got the four-wheel drive functionality. This is a beautiful machine. One of my favourite features is the simplicity of the proximity keys. Just push the button to open the door and push start to go. You can just leave the key fob in your purse or on your person. Really, really convenient. The first thing I've noticed on the interior is the comfort. Really comfortable vehicle. It's got the beautiful piano finish along the center cluster and around the sides of the interior. Looks really sharp. It also has the black ceiling, which really just gives it a nice offset from that piano finish and the chrome inserts here. You've also got heated seats just in the center console here. You've got an electric handbrake, so when the doors are shut and the driver's seat belt's on, the handbrake comes off automatically so that it doesn't damage your transmission. And your four-wheel drive is just a button. You can push that on or off while you're driving up to 100 kilometers per hour. So the back has a nice, sleek, soft design with tinted windows, reversing camera tucked under here, and reversing sensors. Great visibility with a nice big window at the back. It's also tinted from the passenger's side and driver's side. Now if we have a look at the boot space, now this is a 7-seater, but you wouldn't even realise it. The seats tuck neatly away, nice and flat. To use them, just lift the lever, they come up very conveniently, throw them down, and you're all done. Really good for putting your pram in, doing all your shopping. If you're on the go, great for sports gear, any sort of off-roading, camping, lifestyle type families, awesome. It also has an electric boot, so just push the button here, and it closes automatically. So the space for the 7-seater is really easy to manipulate if you had someone bigger in the back there. You can move the back seats backwards and forwards, and all you do to get them to lie flat is lift this up, flip this across, and that drops down. The rear of the vehicle has ventilation here and under the passengers and driver's seats. It also has a USB port here. I took this vehicle on my 3 days off, and what I really liked about it, I have an 8-month-old baby and he's always spilling stuff. You have the nice leather here, it's easy to wipe it off unlike fabric. It also has the ISOFIX, super easy to get the baby seats in and out of the vehicle. So you're paying a little bit more for the Outlander Sport, but you're getting a lot more stuff. You're getting the leather seats, heated seats, the lovely black ceiling with sunroof. The sunroof's really, really nice in the summer. You're also getting that slightly larger engine with the four-wheel drive capacity. Push button start and keyless entry is great. You can just leave the key fob in your purse, push the button and away you go. So the Outlander used to also be a 2-litre 7-seater. It's now a 2.4 across the range, and it's definitely advantageous to have the 2.4 in this four-wheel drive model. It just gives you the power you need for all your off-roading and also gives you good fuel economy without being too big and compromising that. And obviously has your 5-star ANCAP safety rating, which is very important with a young family or a family in general. So one of the things I noticed with this new Outlander is it's got a bigger audio screen, and that's really, really nice. It's much more visual, it's much more easy to see what's going on, and it gives you a better readout. For safety, it has voice recognition on the steering wheel for any functionality that I want to use throughout the digital display in the center cluster. Let's play some music. Play Fat Freddy's Drop.
Fat Freddy's Drop coming right up.
I can also make calls and texts, and also reply to my text messages via the voice recognition button. Overall, the main reasons you'd buy a car like this is because of the space on the interior. It's got lots of features, it's well priced, you've got the best warranty on the market. It not only feels good, but it looks great as well.